Hi everyone, it's Jonathan here. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this family of amazing people here. And if you're returning, it's so good to see you guys in this new video. So today we're gonna do something a little different. I haven't had my coffee this morning yet. So today I'm gonna show you guys on how to make the famous Korean Dalgona coffee in only 4 steps, 4 ingredients, and under 120 seconds. But before we get started, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to this channel. It will really help the channel to grow. And if you do have subscribed, then you can click the bell button right on top. That way you'll get notified for cool videos in the future. Without further ado, let the timer begins and let's start to brew. First of all you really need is instant coffee, sugar, and literally the most basic of them all is water. If you use an artisan coffee, it might taste different from the original taste, and the texture might be a little different as well. But the choice is yours. If you are indeed using an artisan roasted coffee, please do let me know on how it goes. Second, you want to mix all the ingredients into a bowl and then mix it with a cake mixer. If you don't have a cake mixer, that is completely fine. A regular whisk actually works. It's just a lot of extra workout to achieve the thick and airy consistency at the end. Now, you can take any kind of milk of your preference and pour it into a cup with the measurement of your choice. I personally like my coffee to be a little bit bitter, so I would prefer to pour less milk and more coffee. And now, the final step. All you need to do is to scoop your thickened coffee and then put it on top of your milk and BAM! There you have it, the famous Korean Dalgona coffee. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, do click the like button down below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Whew, I hope I made it on time. This is the famous Korean Dalgona coffee. Oh man, now I'm ready for my day. See you next time.